a sample of those in your file. Usually policy will have a purpose. The purpose to establish a training function. What is the scope and responsibility? So I ask you, does the training apply to temp staff, contract staff, unconfirmed staff? All this comes in the scope. And even responsibility of different parties, which I will go through shortly. In a large organization, you even have specialized policies. Within the L&D, for example, you have external training policy, internal scholarship, talent development, and so on and so forth. So let us take a look at the sample. If I could get you to open up the file. And there's a tab, the last tab, training and development policy. What I'll do is I'm going to go through very quickly just the heading, just to give you a flavor of what the policy might look like. If your organization doesn't have, and in one day you're tasked to come up with a training policy, this is just a reference. Okay, so let's go to the last tab. And you find that in this policy, you have a purpose and scope, number 1. Number 2, what's the aim of the policy? Next page, number 3, principles of the policy. Number 4, equal opportunity, especially in a global organization, the EEO policy. Number 5, range of training and development opportunities, so types of activity. Even 5.2, drawing on expertise